Hey babes, if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Alright, jumping right into this look. This is the palette I'm using by Planet Makeup by Yolando, her Jamrock palette. I'm pretty much pointing to the red and the green color that I'm mainly using in this look. So I'm going to start off with that green. I'm going to place it right above, slightly above my crease. And then start with blending that green out with a lime green. And just slowly blowing it up below my eyebrow. Now I'm going to do this process for a little while. Just blend out the lime green, deepen up that darker green in my crease, and just go back and forth from there. After getting the look that I want with the green, I'm going to start placing that red in my outer corner of my eyelid and start to place that just slightly above my crease. Then I'm going to get a fluffy brush and just slowly blend that process. Alright, so now I'm going to clean the crease with my micellar water. Alright, now it's time to cut the crease. Using my Acid Rain base by P. Louise, I'm going to use my M224 brush by Morphe and start cutting my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take that same red that I was using in my crease and start slowly blending out the outer corners of that cut crease. Now I'm about to take this J. LaRue Cosmetics White Diamond Pigment. It's a loose glitter that I'm taking and I'm putting it on my inner corner and the front of my eyelid. Now I'm taking a different loose pigment. This is in the shade White Gold, and I'm placing that in the middle of my eyelid, going into the red. Alright, so now I'm going to take that red Acid Rain base from P. Louise, and I'm going to use that as liner, and I'm going to place that in the front of my eyelid, finishing off the liner with a green Acid Rain base. Now to set that liner, I'm going to use that red eyeshadow that I use for the crease. Place that on the liner, and I'm also going to go into the green eyeshadow that I used as well and place that on the back of the eyeliner just to set it. Now just using some concealer to pretty much clean up this this eyeliner on the side of my eyes, and we're finna jump into the face. Alright, so using my Milani's No Pore Zone primer, I'm gonna place this on my face. And when you use primer, you just want to make sure you're not just placing it on your face, you want to press it into your skin, because again, this is for pores. So this primer should go into your pores. So make sure you're pressing that primer directly into your skin. Jumping into the foundation, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl foundation. I'm not sure the brand right now, but I will link it in the description box below. And I'm going to place this all around my face because I have like an olive undertone to it. I'm going to be also using a different foundation with this. So after placing this CoverGirl, I'm going to place my Beauty Bakery foundation. Again, I don't know the shade. I will link it in the description box. And I'm just going to place this to my T-zone area. That is to make sure that I bring warmth back to my face. After placing that, I'm going to go on and spray my face with some NYX setting spray. And then I'm going to start with my foundation face brush and start pressing this into my skin, y'all. And that's the process for now. Alright, so now I am placing my lashes on. I usually do this off camera, but I just wanted to show you how I place double lashes on. I usually place one lash on, then on top of it I will place another lash just to give more volume to my lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to place my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in my T-zone area, which is basically the middle of my face, to highlight the area. Then you're going to see me placing my foundation shade stick by Juvia's Place in the shade Castina around my face to contour my face. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to place that everywhere I place my concealer to set my concealer. Alright, going in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to start setting my contour with that brown shade in that palette. After going in with my eyeliner, I'm going to smoke that out with the red I used earlier, and then I'm going to start applying individual lashes to my bottom lash. All right, I went ahead and placed it on the other eye. Now I'm going to just start taking off the excess powder that's on my face using my foundation brush. I'm going in with my setting spray just to spray my face to set everything in place, and then I'm going to use my foundation brush to press it in. This is to ensure I have no flashback. All right, we reached the end. Going in on my Juvia's Place, we're going to now highlight the cheekbones. Now, going for an extra pop, I'm going to place this glitter on my lips. I got this glitter from Stay Golden Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Burlesque. All right, y'all, this is it. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more videos like this, nice and festival. If you like this look, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos. And yeah, until the next video, y'all, peace.